Reuters.
יש פה מישהו שידע עזרה ראשונה? יש כאן פצוע!
Dramatic amateur video footage of a bulldozer attack in Jewish West Jerusalem. A Palestinian rammed a bulldozer into vehicles on a busy street, injuring at least 16 people before he was shot dead. The attack happened close to the hotel where US Democratic presidential candidate Barack Obama is due to stay during his scheduled visit to Israel. Police said they'd tightened security after the incident.
The terrorist was shot and killed by a civilian as well as a border policeman that arrived at the scene, and we've heightened security here in Jerusalem in order to prevent any further attacks from taking place.
It's the second time such an attack has taken place in 3 weeks. The driver in the first attack was also shot dead. Israeli officials said the driver was a Palestinian who lived in this house, in an area of the occupied West Bank that Israel considers part of Jerusalem. Its residents have freedom of movement throughout the city and Israel. The incident took place while Israeli President Shimon Peres was hosting a meeting with Palestinian President Mahmoud Abbas at Peres's official residence less than a kilometre away. Both leaders condemned the incident. No one immediately claimed responsibility, but the attack was praised by Hamas Islamists in the Gaza Strip as a natural reaction to the crimes of the occupation. The bulldozer attack in Jerusalem at the start of July killed 3 Israelis. Joanna Partridge, Reuters.